Did you know that just a few minutes of paced breathing can lower your heart rate and reduce anxiety levels by up to 50%? It's a simple technique that can totally transform your day. When it comes to managing stress and anxiety, we often overlook one of the most powerful tools we have at our disposal: our breath. Paced breathing is a technique that can help calm our minds and bodies, reducing feelings of overwhelm and promoting a sense of calmness. By slowing down our breathing and focusing on the sensation of the air moving in and out of our lungs, we can tap into a state of relaxation that's hard to find in our fast-paced world. The science behind breathing techniques like paced breathing is fascinating. When we're stressed or anxious, our breathing becomes rapid and shallow, which can actually exacerbate those feelings. By slowing down our breathing, we send a signal to our brain that it's okay to relax, and our entire body responds accordingly. This is because our breathing is closely tied to our nervous system, and by regulating our breath, we can regulate our nervous system. To practice paced breathing, start by finding a comfortable seated or lying position. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, counting to 4 in your head. Hold the breath for a count of 4, and then slowly exhale through your mouth, counting to 4 again. Repeat this process several times, focusing on the sensation of the breath moving in and out of your body. As you get more comfortable with the technique, try to slow down your breathing even further, aiming for a pace of about 6 breaths per minute. One of the keys to making paced breathing effective is to focus on the sensation of the breath moving in and out of your body. This helps distract your mind from racing thoughts and worries and allows you to tap into a sense of calmness. You can also try incorporating visualization techniques into your practice, imagining the breath moving in and out of your body, or picturing yourself in a peaceful, relaxing environment. The more you practice paced breathing, the more it can become a natural part of your daily routine. Imagine being able to calm your nerves before a big presentation, or relaxing after a long day at work. By incorporating paced breathing into your daily routine, you can experience long-term benefits like reduced anxiety and improved sleep quality. You may even find that you're better equipped to handle stressful situations and that you're more patient and focused in your daily life. As Dr. Andrew Weil, a pioneer in integrative medicine, says, "The breath is the remote control of the nervous system." By taking control of our breath, we can take control of our nervous system and experience profound benefits for our mental and physical health. So what's the takeaway on paced breathing? It's a simple, powerful technique that can help you cultivate a sense of calmness and reduce anxiety in just a few minutes a day. By slowing down your breathing and focusing on the sensation of the breath moving in and out of your body, you can tap into a deeper state of relaxation and improve your overall well-being. Thanks for watching. Have you tried paced breathing or other breathing exercises to manage stress and anxiety? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more mental minutes, be sure to check out our next video on screen now. Consider subscribing to hear more wellness education videos. Help us get to our first 100 subscribers, and consider supporting the channel by buying us a coffee using the link in the description below. Thanks for being our friends, and thanks for being awesome.